Hi everyone. I am Sid and welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss the latest forefront of COVID-19 vaccine development. But before we start, just a quick reminder to please subscribe and hit the like button for more awesome and informative videos like this and to stay up to date on the latest world and tech news. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Coronavirus has been the worst thing that happened in the recent times. Everyone is struggling to understand why, even after becoming so advanced in science, still we are not able to develop a cure or a vaccine for this epidemic. Well, China has answered that question. According to Times of India and Hindustan Times, more than 100 vaccines for the virus are being developed globally. And in China, a total of 5 vaccines are being developed and tested on humans. Bloomberg mentioned that more than 2,000 people have received the vaccine in the first 2 phases of the trial. A COVID-19 vaccine under development in China could be in the market by the end of the year, a government body affiliated to the country's cabinet, the State Council, has announced. The vaccine is being jointly developed by the Wuhan Biological Products Research Institute and Beijing Biological Products Research Institute and have completed 2 phases of clinical or human trials. The State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission (SASAC) announced in a social media post on its WeChat account. Both entities are affiliated with government-owned pharmaceutical group Sinopharm. The announcement said, "It is reported that the clinical trial is divided into 3 phases, namely, Phase 1 till Phase 3. After the completion of these phases, the vaccine is expected to be available for the market in the end of this year or early next year at the earliest." They also mentioned that the data from the first 2 phases of clinical trials show that the candidate vaccine's safety and efficacy were better than other vaccines under development. Meanwhile, Wuhan is set to complete the ambitious task of conducting nucleic acid tests (NAT) on all its residents to check for asymptomatic patients. Between May 15 and 25, Wuhan medics tested more than 6.5 million residents, a state media report said, adding at least 218 among them were found to be asymptomatic. The mass testing is part of China's efforts to fortify against a potential second wave after a cluster of cases emerged in a residential community earlier this month. To carry out the tests in time, health workers collected and mixed 10 to 20 samples and carried out a single test on them. If the collected sample was positive, each individual was tested again to identify which person was positive. This epidemic began in China, and now the Chinese are trying hard to bring the cure for it. Hopefully, if the efforts pay off in the end of this year, the whole world will finally have a proper vaccine, and this might bring an end to this terrible epidemic. That's all for today, folks. All the articles mentioned in the video are in the description. Hope you liked the video, and before ending this video, I would like to ask you guys, which country do you think would be the first to bring the COVID-19 vaccine? Please mention your thoughts on the comments section and please do like and subscribe for more useful videos on technology, world news and entertainment. Hope to see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.